Kaning abuga gikan ni sa Japan wala na
What the fuck?
wala nang ano ba.
Jet Canyo. Congratulations. Tattoo, you're not going to ride your bike?
There's too many checkpoints now.
Ah.
They are quite strict stopping there everyone, so it's better we just load it now and
Oh, yeah. I paid for your
paid
braces.
already?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. And then and then I cut the ribbon. Huh?
when he came to pick up me,
Huh?
they delivered the other Boeing.
Ah.
So you can you can install by yourself. Yeah, it's easy, no?
Yeah.
Because it's the original. You just do like that, no?
Masa gi-prep ana boss? Battery? Masa gi-prep ninyo?
Ang
Yung
kanina
gi-prep.
ready to kanan ni sir install.
Ah, ready to install.
Wala na ni check pa.
So battery,
Battery kuan sa side mirror.
side mirror. So kamo mo taga Kawasaki no? Sound check. Oh. Italiano niya kini kay Finland, Finnish. Oh.
Kabalo na siya.
Do you have the original
Are you well familiar, sir?
With the application.
I have that app already. I just have to connect it.
It's just easy for you to adjust something for one. Much easier.
Saya nagudi siya sa pagod. Saya nagudi siya kanang manual sa kuha. Napuno ni siya kung nangabot sa Pilipinas, boss.
So direct first sa Cebu no?
Visayas.
Sa Visayas.
Oo, tanan kasagaran, Luzon.
Mindanao. Luzon o Mindanao.
Usa sa Mindanao.
Asa sa Mindanao.
Luzon ang kasagaran, no?
Luzon.
We can stop to record this. Yeah. Because don't have blood anymore. Country now, baby. Oh, okay, happy.
Happy bro? So
If you're happy, we are happy for you.
so you can't wait to ride it.
No, tomorrow, Saturday.
Saturday?
we'll ride. Yeah. All night I will be sitting in our Saturday morning we'll ride.
Yeah.
Me and ride. You ride?
Yeah. So bro, how did you decide that you get the H2?
actually, it's kind of.
So you were
No,
researching,
because
right?
it's the only
I know.
one in Cebu.
No, because you.
I think you got already your receipt by the time you pay the motorcycle.
Yeah, I have the small one. Yeah.
Yeah, this is the spare key. Yeah, this is the spare key.
Emergency. The spare key, bro. You should bring with you always. So when they release, no, they say, I think they released the first video of CAS2.
Ah, yeah.
So we were just like, I was sitting in Grey Bikes.
Uh-huh.
And we were talking about that what will be the price, and everyone say that yeah, it will be more than million for
Yeah,
sure, like 1.2 something like
Yeah.
that.
It turned out cheaper.
So I was like, no, actually, my opinion is it will be around 900.
Okay. And then,
And then we made a deal that if it will be less than 1 million, I will buy it. But then, of course, while
Actually, you really turned out.
when it really came available,
yeah.
I was like, actually, it's really interesting bike because it has a turbo and
Quick
all
shift,
that. So
auto
yeah,
blipper,
exactly, all the,
all the electronics,
yeah. And then
all the goodies.
when they gave the SRP
Yeah.
890, I was like, what?
Wow.
I will buy it.
You have everything in that motorcycle already. Yeah.
Only the suspension it's not electronically adjustable.
Oh yeah, but the sensor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everything else.
Oh, picture. Picture. For the picture, remove your mask.
Remove your mask
Your
and
mask.
remove your pants.
No?
Where is the spare key? The spare key. Oh. Oh, without key you cannot go. See? Oh, the other side like that. Yes. Yeah.
1, 2, 3,
Don't
go!
smile because no need. Actually, the drone in live it's not that bad as in pictures.
No, I like the front, bro. I like the front.
In the pictures, I really didn't like.
Yeah,
I was not like, oh shit.
I like it.
But it's okay.
Yeah.
Maybe getting used to
So Saturday morning,
Yeah.
we start 6 a.m. again.
Oh, sure.
We need to only decide if we need to go from here and go back to the other side or do the other way.
Oh, be careful, be careful.
Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Kid, we go, Jim.
Yeah.
Yeah, we will figure out. We will do the two of us. We will bring down in case there is Alexa.
She's really helpful.